This is Badge. He's a 2-year-old German Shepherd, and he is actually a retired police dog. Badge retired early because he is too docile and does better as a family pet. This is his first appointment with us, and we bathed him in our de-shedding shampoo and our dirty dog shampoo. After his bath, we spray him down in our 50/50 vinegar water spray, and then we blow dry him with the high-velocity dryer. We de-shed him using the EQUIGROOMER and the undercoat rake. After his brush, I clip his nails, and then we shave out his paw pads. He did really well for his first appointment. I sprayed him down in our blueberry cologne, and this friendly boy is looking handsome.